Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start chapter number 14. We have learned about the definition of sets, empty sets and equal sets. We also have done exercise 14a. This is exercise 14a. Today we have to start new topic of this chapter. This is this one, page number 399, Venn diagram, universal set and complement of a set. Got it? Now open your books, page 399. Okay, first I read it, then I explain it properly. We can represent a set using a Venn diagram in showing. Got it? We represent a Venn diagram just like this. There is a rectangle. In rectangle there is a circle. Got it? Okay, in figure 14.1, this one, a rectangle represent this rectangle. A rectangle represent the set of all elements. A rectangle represent the set of all elements that are under the consideration of this particular situation. For example, 1 2 3 4 5, this is set of all elements. This is called universal set. The whole set, this rectangle is the whole set. This is called universal set. This is the biggest set. That's why this is called universal set. Got it? It is denoted by symbol. This is a symbol to denote the universal set. Got it? Just like this one. Got it? The universal set means the set of all elements which is biggest, that contain each elements of this set. This is the universal set, and it is denoted by just like this. Got it? So this is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, just like 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? A circle represents a set A. There is universal set. This is 1 2 3 4 5, and there is another set. This is called A. This is 1 2 3. We observe that the elements 4 and 5 are outside the circle. 4 and 5 outside the circle but inside the rectangle. 4 and 5 outside the circle but inside the rectangle. That is 4, 1 2 3 is belong to set A. This one, 1 2 3 is belong to set A. But 4 does not belong to set A, and 5 also does not belong to set A, because 5 just does not contain in A and 4 does not contain in A. 4 and 5 contain in this rectangle. Got it? Just like 4 does not belong to A and 5 does not belong to A. The set of all elements in this one, universal set, but not in A. The set of all elements, the set of all elements which is universal set but not in A is called complement of a set. Got it? The set of all elements which is in universal set, just like 4 and 5 contain in universal set but does not contain in A. That's why this is called complement of a set. It is denoted by A, this one, A complement dash, and this is also say A prime, just like A prime and A complement equal to 4 and 5. Got it? This rectangle is universal set, and this is the biggest set, and the element of universal sets are 1 2 3 4, and this circle is another set. This is A set. This one is 1 2 3. It's mean 1 2 3 contain in universal set. 4 and 5 also contain in universal set, but different is that 1 2 3 is another set, so that we show these elements in circle and 4 and 5 outside the circle, because 4 and 5 does not belong to A. Got it? So that the element which is does not belong to A, this is called complement. This is called complement, and this is noted by A prime, B prime, C prime. But it depends on question, and this is 4 and 5. It is very easy, there is no difficult. And we take another example. We have universal sets. Universal sets are 2 4 6 8 10, and we take another set B, and this is 2 and 6. We show this set in Venn diagram. Always remember Venn diagram represent in rectangle. This is rectangle. And there is set B. The set B contain two elements 2 and 6. This is set B. This is set B, and B contain two elements. Which one? 2 and 6. Got it? What are the remaining elements? 4, 6 right is here, so that we can't write 8 and 10. And this is universal set. Got it? So that, got it? 2 and 6 contain in B. What the remaining elements 2 and 6 right here, so that we can't write in rectangle. The remaining element 4, 8 and 10 right here. 4, 8, 10 are called complement of B, B prime. 4, 8 and 10 are called complement of B. Got it? 4, 8, 10 are the complement of B, and 2 and 6 is B set. 4, 8 and 10 is complement of B. Okay, now you come on exercise. Exercise 14B. Universal set equal to 1 to 20. Exercise 14B. This is question number 1. Universal set equal to 1, 2, 3 and 20. A set equal to, which one is A set? Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. B set is multiples of 4. C set is multiples of 3. List the element of the following. Got it? Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. B set equal to multiples of 4, and C set equal to multiples mul 3. In first part we find A set, then B set, C set. In D part we find complement A, you also say A prime, B prime and C prime. In first part, we find A. Got it? And then we find B. Similarly, after this we find in C part we find C. Got it? Now A is, what is A? This is multiples of 2. Okay, multiples of 2's are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is 20. Okay, now B part is, we find set B. These are multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Okay, you should follow the this one universal set. Okay, we should follow the universal set and write these sets. Write the set of A, B and C. We should follow XI. We should follow universal set, and then we write A set, B set and C set. In part C we find multiples of 3. These are the multiples of 3. Got it? Okay. In D part we find A prime. A prime. We find A prime. A prime means this is equal to universal set minus A. Always remember. Similarly, B prime equal to universal set minus B, and C prime equal to universal set minus C. Okay, A prime equal to, what is universal set? 1 2 3 to 20 minus, what is A set? 2 4 6 and A and 20. Okay, in set, subtraction means the element which is contained in first set and does not contain in second set. वो elements जो first set में belong करते हैं, got it, which contain in first set and does not contain in second set. Just like 1 is here, there is no 1, that's why we write here. 2 is here and 2 is here, that's why we can't write 2. And after this 3 is here and 3 does not exist here, so that we write. And 4 is here and 4 is also here, so that we can't write. After 4, 5 is here and 5 does not contain here, so we write. And 6 is here and 6 is also here, so we does not write. 7 is here and 7 does not exist here, so we write. And 20 and 20s are same, so that 90, there exists 90, and these are multiples of 2, there does not exist 90, so that we stop 90. Got it? Similarly, B prime mean universal set minus B, and C prime is universal set minus C. The element which contain in universal set and does not contain in B, and you write B prime. In C prime, the element which contain in universal set but does not contain in C, and then you write. Okay, find out B prime and C prime. Find out B prime and C prime, then share please. If you have any query, then inbox me. Thank you.